So what's up guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll be teaching you how to solve this gear cube. Yeah, it's very easy, trust me. So before the video I want to give you some quick information related my channel. So this desk has been changed and I will be filming on this now, and this reflection will be gone after some videos, so just wait for that. And yeah, that's basically, so yeah, so let's get into the video. So first of all we will learn how to turn this, because turning is a bit difficult task here. So basically we will do only two moves to solve this thing. So the two moves are the right layer and the upper layer. So we will be doing either R prime or U prime. So how do you do R? So just the layer you want to turn, you hold that, and also you leave the center. It means that you don't hold the center with your left hand while doing the R, because the center things also move with that. So you have to hold the layer which is untouched from the this movement, which is the opposite layer. So you're gonna hold that and just turn the R like this and R prime like this. Don't touch the center. So that also goes with the upper layer. So in the upper layer you don't wanna hold the center, you wanna hold the down layer, and you wanna do U like this and U prime like this. So U is a bit challenging, but when you will do practice, it will be okay for you. Okay, so now it's scrambled, so we will learn how to solve it actually. So first of all we will solve the corners. So it's very easy, it's very intuitive, and a child can also learn to solve this gear cube. It's very easy. So just find any white corner which you like. So I'm just picking this one. So yeah, so this has white, blue, red. So we will find another white corner which has white, the mandatory is white, and it has either blue or either red. So now I can see I have another this thing corner which has blue here. So this corner needs to go here. So that's basically you do when you solve a 3 by 3. So match up the corners and that thing. So this corner needs to go here. So it means we need to place it here. So in gear cube you can only do 180 degrees turn. And what I mean that if you do a 90-degree turn, when you do a 90-degree turn, the centers are in the middle position, so you can't turn the other layers. So you have to do 180-degree turns. So if in the algorithm I refer to R, it means I'm doing the right 180 degree. So just remember that, and U 180 degrees. So if I'm referring to R2, I am doing like this. So just remember that thing. So now in the corners, so how to put that here? So if I move this thing right here and then move that over here, then we can do it. So I'll just move that here like that, and just move that at the top, and these two pairs are made. So if you make one pair, the other pair will be already made, like here. So these pairs are already made. So what you wanna do, we wanna just align both of them and make sure the white center is in the middle of them. So I'm gonna just move that here to make a spot for this, and just if I do like this, the white center is not coming up, the yellow center is coming up. But if I do from this side, then the white center is coming up. So we will do that. So after doing that, all the corners would be solved definitely. If it is not solved, then something's wrong with your cube. So yeah, so every corner should be solved by now. And the next step is to correct all the edges. So in the edges, we will just place the right edge at the right place. It is not necessary that it should be in the right position and twisted. No, we have to just put them in their right place. So if you can see, we have to find the swaps of 2. So in the 3x3 we cannot just swap these two. So but in the gear cube we will find a swap which swap these like this, the back piece and the front piece like this. So this needs to go here and this needs to go here. As you can see, it has yellow and blue and that belongs here, and this has white and blue which belongs here. So these two need to swap. So just put your finger here. That means these two need to swap, and if that is a thing, if these two are swapping, then the down two will also be swapping. So if they are not swapping, then just see your gear cube, man. So these two need also be swapping, like this needs to go here and this needs to go here. So we will swapping these two and these two by one algorithm, and it's a very simple algorithm. So the algorithm is as follows. We're gonna do R2 at the beginning, and which means a 180-degree turn like this, followed by another 180-degree turn, and then we will do a U. Then again we will do a R2, and then again we will do a U, and then these two will be swapped. So just the 4 moves, R2 U, R2 U, and that will swap these two. And now this slice is done. So like 3 slices, this middle slice, this middle slice, and this middle slice. So we're gonna solve every slice. So it can happen that one of your slices must be solved, or every slice is solved. But if it is not solved, then you have to repeat the same thing again. So like if I see these two need to swap, these two and these two need to swap. So I'll do the algorithm again, which is like this, and these two are swapped. So now you have to flip the edges. So for flipping the edges, the algorithm is very simple. So what you want to do, you want to find out a face where all the 4 edge pieces need to be flipped. So it is not mandatory that it should be like a perfect flip. It can be like this. So only 4 pieces need to be corrected. So there must be 2 sides, or I don't know, but there must be one side like this. So you want to face that in your front. Remember that, face this side which has 4 pieces to be solved in your front, and then do this algorithm, the easiest algorithm that has existed in cubing history, which is wait, so just make sure it's aligned. So we're gonna do R U, and that's basically the algorithm. We will continue doing R and U until the cube becomes solved. So it is not solved yet. Your cube must be solved by this stage, or someone can get a case like this. Basically this case has like these two are these two are like about to be solved but not solved yet. So just take any slice and which is unsolved and do this. Just move it until eventually it is like a bit scrambled or something, so it's like twisted. Then you can face again these 4 and just do the algorithm. So R U R U R U, and then you can run into something like this. It can happen that your cube will be solved by now, but if it is not, then just hold this slice and just keep turning it until eventually it is solved. So yeah, that is every case that you can get on a gear cube. So yeah, so you have learned how to solve a gear cube now. It seems very hard, but it is actually very easy. So by the way, this is the QIYI Gear cube, which is very cheap and it's high quality. And like if you are on a different gear cube which is not the QIYI one, then the third step which I told you of flipping the edges, will not be there, and your cube will be solved after the second step only. So if you want to gear cube, you have to do the third step also. And I will do a quick review of this cube because it's nothing to review about it. So just I will review it in this video also. So just a quick review that this cube is actually very great. Like, I can't describe, like, it's very smooth, like it has no resistance while turning, and it can even corner cut a bit. So that's actually very great. And it's about 500 rupees in India, which is about $7 or something, somewhat near to $7, $7 US. So you might just get this because it's really cheap and it's really a fun puzzle. You can just practice and you'll have fun. So it's very smooth. It also has a bit of corner cutting. And yeah, that's basically it for this review and this tutorial. So let's make it to 15 likes this time. So let's see if we can hit 15 likes. So make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and just turn on the notifications so you cannot miss out the cool cubing content. So yeah, that's all for this video, and I'll see you guys next video. Bye.